So now that we've installed the garage door controller here at TLE Lakemba, people like the idea of being able to see whether their garage is open, closed, getting a notification when it's down, and being able to control it whilst they're not at home, or whilst they're in home, just not at the garage. Installing the garage door controller, it was a dual feed motor, so it fed one way when it to go up and one way to go down. So you have two separate feeds, and channel 1 fed up and channel 2 fed down. And then you just set that on the app to be one is open and one is closed. It was easy to set up. Installing the reed sensor was simple. It was just a figure 8 down to the bottom. It all comes, it's all within the metal conduit. It's neat, it's easy. The challenge we had with the gate controller was getting the wiring diagram was the first one and being able to find the pulse sense. But as soon as we found the pulse sense terminal, it was super easy to set up. We did it in about 10 minutes. Just a matter of just showing them, just setting it up on their phone, sharing the app. It was just an open and close button. It was super simple. And so they can access it and use it, and they can open and close the gate from home, and it tells them if it's open or closed. So previously I had used the blinds controller to do a garage door in French's Forest. And then that was one thing that we offered, but now the garage door controller is much better. The garage door controller is better because it shows you when it's up, when it's down, and has the little animation, and has 2 channels. 2 channels gives you the option of controlling 2 separate doors, or how that door is with 2 separate feeds, you can do that and it still works. Whilst other controllers you can't, because it only has 1 feed. You'd only be able to open, and then you need a separate controller to do the close.
Pixie garage and gate control has been good for us. We have plenty of instances where customers are ducking in out of hours and they need to get in, so we'll leave some goods for them inside the premises, and we can open straight from the app while we're out of hours. To have the Pixie app set up really well by one of our contractors, Adam and I can jump straight on the app and open and shut the roller door, which makes the access really easy. The controller's been really good for our customers. We've had a few delivery issues where we might be rocking up to their office later on in the afternoon. They've already gone home. So we had 2 of our contractors set it up in their own premises so that when our driver gets there in the afternoon, maybe 2:30, 3 o'clock, and no one's on site, they can call them, and all they've got to do is jump on the app, open up the roller door, we leave the goods inside, they shut it, and as soon as it's shut, we're off again. So they don't need to always be at the office to receive our deliveries.